Prior to beginning with Matic cost forecast, let us first know more about Polygon. It is an ideal blockchain stage that gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges, taking out the intricacies engaged with a decentralized biological system. Matic has been made with the sole target of a multifunctional and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Polygon value forecast is referenced exhaustively in this video. Here every single individual chain manages its free blockchain networks with its agreement system and block validators to make more youngster chains of its own. As of late, Matic network rebranded to Polygon, Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. The current Matic arrangements stay a practical and high need, and the Matic token remaining part significant for getting and overseeing the organization. Most engineers and activities need to assemble their scaling arrangements inside the Ethereum biological system to profit from its security and organization impacts. Nonetheless, they battle to explore its unstructured Ethereum scaling scene and manage its execution intricacies. Subsequently, Polygon, Matic, declared plans to improve its help for the Ethereum organization to scale quicker and diminish the developing exchange costs. The principal objective of Polygon, Matic, is to diminish the high charges paid on the Ethereum blockchain, alongside scaling for crypto activities and undertakings. It will acquaint structure with this environment and give a system to assist it with becoming further and quicker. Polygon. The Matic token. The non-stop dynamic group of Polygon network has delivered interface libraries that are one of their sort. These are apparatuses that assist you with making projects and carry out the point of interaction. The organization likewise brought an extraordinary Matic coin to the majority in the main portion of 2019. The ongoing Polygon cost waits around $0.6461. The ongoing circling supply is 7,956,181,045 Matic, and the all-out supply of different coins as of now remains at 10 billion Matic. Specialized analysis of Polygon, Matic. The brain research of clients assumes a vital part in the crypto market opinion. Aside from it, numerous different factors like the essentials of the token, value history, improvement, and acknowledgement of the symbolic assume a significant part as well. No financial backers should depend just on crypto expectation to pursue their speculation choice. Polygon's local token Matic has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and dealers. This suggests further reception of Polygon by dealers and financial backers. The downswing that played for the token in 2019 vanished in the background of its mechanical arrangements. They were in no way, shape or form a worldview, however it tends to be said the token was being followed for development. Be that as it may, 2022 has not been a decent one for the Matic token. The coin cost was $2.58 at the outset, yet has now reached $0.6142. A regularly and distinctly noticed quality of Polygon is that it has shown the most unpredictable and fluctuating way of behaving, particularly this year. The pattern line shows that the cost has been decreased by over 75%. The 57 cents is the quick help level from where the Matic cost has skipped as of late. In light of our Polygon price prediction, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Matic coin cost for 2027 may be around $2.304. According to the 5-year Matic gauge, the income is supposed to be around plus 256.66%. According to the specialized investigation, the normal most extreme cost of Matic toward the finish of 2022 might be around $1.188. Matic's cost target is set to bounce back by July, which would fundamentally mirror a decent pinnacle. The base cost of $0.6483 before the year's over 2023 makes certain to scale, according to our Polygon cost expectations. The ongoing cost of Matic is $0.6461, and our information demonstrates that the resource cost has been in an upturn for the beyond 1 year. Polygon has been showing a rising propensity, and the future cost of Polygon is anticipated at $4.91 following a year, as indicated by our Matic cost expectation. According to the Polygon Cost Expectation Information Investigation, the cost of Matic is supposed to cross the degree of $0.7. Toward the finish of 2022, Polygon is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of 80 cents. What's more, the
year 2022 can end with a typical cost of $1.92 and a base value worth of $1.85. The greatest cost of Polygon is supposed to exchange around $2.19, according to our Matic coin cost forecast. Polygon has acquired trust and believability among big business organizations. According to our Polygon Matic cost forecast, its projected development is set to arrive at outrageous highs, like what was seen during the ICO blast and crypto publicity bubble. Matic has for some time been a panacea for application engineers, and answers for genuine issues like virtual cash moves and circulated finance have tracked down a base with Matic. The Polygon Matic cost forecast from the different specialists doesn't prevent it from outflanking its adversaries using any and all means. The Polygon support zone local area has set higher benchmarks for itself in any case. The Matic coin cost targets will outperform the assumptions for all digital money financial backers who have found this stage very intuitive and simple. Polygon price prediction 2022 to 2026. As a non-mineable token, Matic's ongoing cost remains at $0.6461, with a crypto market capitalization of $5,140,492,951, setting it in the place of 17 in the worldwide digital currency rankings. There are 7.96 Matic tokens accessible in supply right now. The new all-time exorbitant cost of Polygon is $2.92, and the exchanging volume for 24 hours is $370,270,602.19. The Polygon cost has denoted the most reduced value level of 59 cents and most exorbitant cost degree of 64 cents throughout recent hours. The elements like all-time high, another untouched high, and Polygon cost forecasts consistently continue to change, and it is on the indicator's judgment regarding where the cost will reach. Starting from the start of 2022, the Matic cost confronted critical rectification. Still, Polygon crypto held areas of strength for its of $1.27 until May, when the whole crypto market slumped. It holds huge potential according to the Matic cost forecasts, yet large achievements are yet to be accomplished. There will be